Yo, if you don't join Nexus Snap after watching this, you probably never will. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you haven't heard of Nexus Snap, you are watching the right video. All right, now Nexus Snap is a new network marketing opportunity in the cashback and savings industry. Now, a lot of people are starting to talk about Nexus Snap and their opportunity. There are two big reasons why Nexus Snap is such a dope ass opportunity, and one of them is their compensation plan. When you actually take the time to look at their compensation plan and see the earning potential, that alone should make you want to jump in Nexus Snap. Now, in this video, I want to focus on the second thing that makes Nexus Snap such a great opportunity, and that is the fact that you can actually make money just by being a member of Nexus Snap. Because the fact is, a lot of opportunities doesn't actually make you money just by being a member. I am a member of two other network marketing opportunities, Live Good and Got Backup, and as good as they are, I can't actually make any money just by being a member. Nexus Snap allows you to do that. When you join Nexus Snap as a premium member, you're going to get access to exclusive apps and programs that will actually save you money and make you money. Because I tell people all the time, when you join Nexus Snap, use the apps, all right? Use the program, because I know a lot of people, they join, they're like, yo, I just want to start earning commissions and bringing in affiliates, and that's dope, but you're missing out on actually saving money and making money. So when you become a premium member, which is only $9.95 a month, you're going to get access to the Nexus Rewards benefits hub. You're going to get access to Shopping Boss. You're going to get access to a prescription drug discount program. You're going to get access to a bill reduction program and more. The fact that you can actually benefit financially just by being a member of Nexus Snap, that right there makes it a no-brainer to join. You might be watching this like, yeah, that's cool, bro, but you know, I ain't trying to listen to you. All right, like, how do I know people are really benefiting from being a member? I'm about to share with you a testimonial video from actual members of Nexus Snap sharing some of their savings and earnings so far. Now look, I promote the hell out of Nexus Snap. I love Nexus Snap, but if you don't join after watching this video, then I'm gonna be honest with you, you probably never will. You probably just need to stop watching videos on Nexus Rewards, Nexus Snap, all of that, and just find something else, because this right here is a no-brainer. But I'm pretty sure after watching this, you're gonna wanna jump on the Nexus Snap team, and you can do so by clicking that first link in the description. And I will see you on the squad.
I started using Shopping Boss about 2 months ago, and I've already earned about $200.
In less than a year, I've made over $365 personally while supporting a school. My husband and I decided to get separate accounts, and he's made over $400 for himself while also supporting the school. So together we've made over $700 in less than a year, and we're able to help support an organization that we already believed in.
Then the big one for me, anybody who knows me, I'm a golfer. I love to golf, and it's what retirement's all about for me. Callaway, 8%. Oh my gosh. I've had my eye on a set of irons for a while now, and I'm going to save almost $100. The first real savings I had was with the Benefit Hub through my auto insurance, almost $1,000 for the year, which was very, very exciting. Thank you. Thank you, Nexus Rewards.
And lo and behold, the Benefits Hub got me an insurance policy where I saved $1,746 per year.
And what I really like about Nexus is I love using the apps. I mean, I've already cashed in several $100s on just using the apps, taking pictures of during receipts. I mean, using those apps, I've saved a ton of money on my wife's prescriptions already. And it's just it's just really helping a lot of families.
With their bill reduction program, I saved $495 on my cell phone bill and $822 on my internet costs. That's over $1,300, and that's just one of their savings portals.
Being self-employed means that I'm very conscientious of where I spend my money. So a few months ago, I was able to log into the Nexus Rewards Benefits Hub and do a little light shopping for homeowners insurance. And lo and behold, that same day, I had our family and our property covered at the exact same coverage we had previously. But this time, I saved us $680 a year by switching policies. Thank you, Nexus Rewards.
So I joined back in June of 2022, and within just 2 months, utilizing the Nexus Rewards apps, I've been able to earn over $500 in cashback savings on things I was already going to buy. Gas and groceries, travel, products for my home. These were things that I had to spend money on anyways, but now I was saving from it.